Hello everyone, welcome to the 50-somethings and welcome to Phipps Park, located outside of Stuart, Florida in Martin County. And as you can see, I'm doing this with a aerial view to start out. So you'll see the boat ramp, you're gonna see a boat dock. There's going to be shots of facilities, the tents, the lakes, and I will remind you there are gators and snakes in these waters around here, so be careful. The facilities themselves are well kept by a young man named Brian. It has been mown every Monday. We were there for 6 weeks, so we got a good opportunity to see how this facility was taken care of. The restrooms and the showers, and there are actually 2 facilities on site, are cleaned every day by some young ladies, and they do a very good job, excuse me. Now, you see here below are some of the tents. They have concrete bases. They have military grade liners and tenting for the mosquitoes. I would recommend that you do bring you some off or some DEET or something, because there ain't nothing really gonna stop the mosquitoes in Florida. Now, during this video, you're gonna see a walkthrough. Stay to the end. And what started all this is Laura and I are going full-time RV. So this is our last little goodbye hurrah from Stuart. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, leave some comments, tell us what you'd like to see. We're going to be traveling all over the US, and hopefully we can provide some insight of just, you know, what we think of the sites we're staying at. Again, 50-somethings, Low and Bow. Like and subscribe, leave us a comment and share. Hey guys, Low and Bow here, doing a little walk around Phipps Park for this review we're doing here. And just so you know, we've been here 6 weeks, so we've got to know this park's ins and outs, and just going to give you some of the key points here in a few moments, and then enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, leave some comments, you know, let us know what you want to see on these reviews or the places that we go to, or maybe how we can make them better. Mama?
Yeah, what he said.
Yeah, what I said. Right here we're approaching the boat floating dock, actually, so you don't have to worry about when you come up on it hitting or scratching your boat. It's got some rubber booting around it and quite a few tie downs, and just from the size of it, I would say you could probably put 3 or 4 boats up on it, depending on their size. I mean, if you got 32-foot center console, you're not gonna put but 1 or 2.
So you can leave your boat tied up here if you bring it to the park. Once you put it in, it's first come first serve. You can't reserve a spot. So, but quite honestly, since we've been here, and we were here over the 4th of July weekend, we've seen what, 2 boats on it?
Yeah.
So if we had known this was here, we might have utilized it once or twice while we were living here before now.
There is a boat launch that, as you can see here, will launch a fairly decent sized boat out of Phipps Park. I will say this, there are more than enough boat launches in Stuart, Florida. But if you're staying at Phipps Park and you have your boat, there is access, or you can make it all the way over to the inlet shown right here by following and navigating the Okeechobee Waterway to the St. Lucie River. And you also can navigate the waterway to Lake Okeechobee. So this waterway, by the way, is brackish water or salt water, and mixing with the fresh water from Lake Okeechobee. So you can catch, and I have seen some very large snook in here, and right back up in there I bet you could find some nice snook. Now we're going to head over here to one of the trails, scenic trails, that are located here on Phipps Park. So what we have right here is the entrance to one of the scenic trails here at Phipps Park. As you can see, it says no motorized vehicles, but of course you're going to see the tracks from people bringing their motorized vehicles down here, which they shouldn't. And we do have a lot of protected species here in the state of Florida. These turtles right here being one of them, and they are all over Phipps Park. My dogs love them.
All over Florida.
I think the girls have almost yanked their shoulders out.
Yeah, and the turtles don't want to play with the dogs.
No, but it is hot in Florida on any given month. It doesn't have to be the summer like it is now. So these little walks are covered under the, they're called scrub oaks and pines, and you do have quite a bit of palm foliage here. Different species. Right here is one of the popular areas for the kids to come and do what they shouldn't be doing, which is playing on their four-wheelers and such. But there's some trails going all through here. We just happen to be doing a shortcut over to the tent so we can show you the tent area. As we're walking through this little scenic walk cut through here, Laura just brought something up. She made a comment, something to the effect that, well, we're almost fixing to hit the road.
So the adventure, well, even though we've been in here for 6 weeks, it's just starting to begin.
Technically,
we're about to begin.
We were without power once, and then we are on full power hookup. But what I was hoping Laura's going to bring up, and maybe she can explain it better, is, you know, some people are congratulating us, telling us how brave we are to be doing what we're doing. But you're always going to have friends, family, the little naysayers
that may think you're absolutely insane. Absolutely insane.
And we've been given a 6-month trial, and we have other thoughts. We're going to make this work.
We are gonna make it work.
Yeah, we are. All I'm saying is expect people to congratulate you, because it takes a lot of nerve to do this. You got to have, you know, everything in place, but also it is very scary.
Well, you want to have everything in place.
Yeah.
Not everybody always does. But...
Exactly. But also you're going to have people to tell you can't make it. Don't pay them any attention.
Yep, go for it.
We just came out of that little scenic area walk and we're headed over to the tents. How many tents were on this?
19 tent sites. They're all empty, so you have to bring everything you need. It's not like glamping where you walk in and see the canopy bed. You've got to bring your blow-up mattress or mat or whatever it is that you sleep on when you camp.
But they are military grade tents, with covers, yeah, and concrete bases, which you're going to see here in just a second. And of course, like I said, alligators, snakes, no swimming, don't feed the wildlife. I do see people fishing here though, and I have seen some really nice sized bass in there. So here we are approaching one of the rows of tents. I believe they have 3 total rows, 19 total as Laura said.
There, and there.
As you can see, they've got plenty of cover, well made, decking, concrete pad. Each
picnic tables, grills, fire pits. All right. They have mosquito netting, so you don't have to keep the cover down all night, and it's just, honestly,
just an open area.
Yeah.
You bring your own gear, but you don't have to worry about being on the ground. Don't have to worry about the mosquitoes. Well, there's mosquitoes. Don't make no mistake. And these lights right here, I know it's not much to point out. We had those on our house. They are awesome.
They lasted forever.
Yes, they did.
Some of these are set up for handicap. They have actually ramps up to them. There's several that I have seen signs for, so we'll make sure we get one on our way out.
We have wildlife. I don't know if you see the bunny.
They're all
I'm sure
over.
He's fixing it. Yeah, they're all over the place. Breeding like bunnies, right? That one there's living up under that tent.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
another one down on the end. Went in right there.
So coming up are the tents that have the wheelchair access, which I think is great. Everybody can go camping now.
Hey fella. I guess you're used to humans, aren't you? Wanna say hi?
It's all fun and games.
YouTube 50 somethings. Woohoo! What up? Give me a nut, give me a nut.
Until he bites your nose off.
And we also have plenty of the lizards, and we have some big ones. There's actually 2 facilities for using the restroom. this particular one here does have showers for both men and women. There is one on the other side of the campground that is only facilities, no shower. I will say, every morning it's cleaned. Some ladies come in and clean it. But there's 2 showers. And I do believe Laura was telling me that they are going to actually demolish these and put more modern facilities up. And there is a laundry room in the back of this facility right here. Single washer, single dryer. But you know, if you're staying here just for a week or a few days, it is more than enough. We actually use the washer and dryer. It's not that bad. We haven't had to wait too often.